Fixing a cosmetic scratch on a wheel is one thing, but when you're talking about a hardcore trail rig, another form of maintenance that you should pay attention to are your beadlocks. Now, what you want to watch out for is the beadlock ring. You want to make sure that the ring itself is not damaged. The ring can actually take a lot of abuse off-road, and that's kind of the beauty of a beadlock wheel, is if it becomes damaged, all you have to do is replace the ring. You don't necessarily need to replace a whole wheel like you would if these were non-beadlock wheels. You can get a chunk out of these rings just like this here. It doesn't necessarily affect how the wheel works. If you do get to the point where you've had the rings on for a long period of time, maybe a good idea might be to swap out the bolts. The bolts that come with your beadlock are just gonna be a typical grade 8 bolt, but you might wanna swap them out and upgrade them at the same time. Now, ARP has full stainless fasteners in a bunch of different sizes, so they can match whatever is in your wheel. They're 20% stronger than a grade 8. They're stainless, so they're not gonna rust. They're through-hardened, not case-hardened. What that means is that the entire bolt is hardened, not just the surface. That's the treatment that they do to the bolt after it is made. So if you're gonna go through the trouble of swapping out all your beadlock bolts, it might be a good time to upgrade them to some ARPs.